For as long as anyone could remember, the daffodils returned. They bloomed along an old fence line at the edge of the field, wood weathered soft with time, post leaning just slightly, wire still holding where it always had. No one spoke any more of when the bulbs were first planted. It had happened in another season, by hands that understood some things are placed into the ground not for themselves, but for whoever comes after. Each year, without announcement, green shoots push through the cool earth in that same quiet row, first small, then steady, then certain of their place. The fence never tried to look new. It carried every year it had seen. Rain worked deep into the grain, sunlight warming it pale, winters that tested it and left it standing, and against the silvered wood the daffodils opened bright and familiar, as if answering a promise made long ago. No one tends them in any grand way now, yet they still return. It isn't spectacle that keeps them blooming, it's continuity. Care given once and trusted to last. A devotion planted and carried forward without the need to be spoken. Along that fence line, nothing is lost to time. It simply continues. When I began shaping this collection, I kept thinking about that fence line, about the way some things planted years ago by my grandparents can still rise faithfully even when the hands that placed it there are no longer the ones watching. There's a quiet steadiness in that kind of returning, a softness that feels inherited. This kit was created to hold that feeling. Inside, you'll find journal pages and background papers that carry the look of weathered wood and early spring light, soft grain textures, gentle aging, and the kind of surfaces that feel like they've been kept rather than newly made. There are ephemera pieces and journaling cards layered with returning daffodils, and botanical elements that feel as though they've always belonged together. Nothing hurried, just steady, color against time-worn texture. The tags and pockets and fussy cuts are designed to tuck naturally into your pages like something you found and decided to keep. They work beautifully for spring journals, heritage projects, memory albums, or any space you want to honor continuity and inherited care. This is the collection meant to be handled, layered, and lived with, the kind you return to more than once, the kind that feels familiar even the first time you open it. This is the promise in bloom.